So very good morning, everyone. Anu ma'am, I am going to make you host.
Okay.
You are the host, ma'am. Now, those students who will unmute them.
Sonali ma'am, you have to record this session also.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, in previous session there was some problem.
Okay. Okay.
So very good morning, everyone. I am going to use chat box also for your answers. And beta, uh, only those students will unmute themselves to whom I shall say. सब बच्चों ने नहीं होना है, otherwise there will be network issue. So first question is state true or false. First one is the UN was formed on 24th December 1945. You are to write in the chat box whether it is false or true, and if it is false, then what should be the correct statement? Very good, students are writing. Okay, Parisha Duggal, you had given first response. Unmute yourself and tell the answer after reading it.
Ma'am, UN was formed on 24 December 1945. It is false. It was formed on 24th October.
Yes, the correct statement is UN was formed on 24th October, not December. So this statement is false. Very good. Next, second one is the First World War broke out in 1419. The First World War broke out in 1419. Yes, give me the response. Number 2 डाल के करो. Very good. Okay, Tanisha Gupta. Tanisha Gupta. Unmute yourself and tell the answer. Read the full statement. Tell whether it is true or false. Speak, bete. I think there is network issue at her side. Her photograph is still. Okay, Samriddhi Bansal.
1949. Ma'am, answer is false.
Okay, answer is false. What should be the correct statement then?
Ma'am, it is broke out in 1914.
Yes. Digits are not proper. It should be 1914. The First World War broke out in 1914. Betty, mute yourself. Very good. Next, third one is war is the only solution to all problems. Okay, Avni. Avni, unmute yourself, Betty.
Yes.
Read the statement and tell the correct answer.
Ma'am, war is the only solution to all problems. Ma'am, it is false, ma'am, because war is not the only solution to all the problems.
Very good. It's false again. War is not the solution to all the problems. Clear? We can settle the disputes by talking to each other in a peaceful manner. We can solve or we can settle any disputes. Number fourth is Ban Ki-moon is the present Secretary General of UN. Okay, Govind. Govind, unmute yourself.
मैम एंटोनियो गुटेरेस था मैम है
First, tell whether it is true or false, Biti.
false.
False. At present, Antonio Guterres is the present Secretary General of UN. Clear? Next, fifth one is WHO is responsible for the welfare of the children of the world. Manjot Kaur. Unmute yourself, Manjot Kaur.
Ma'am, it is false.
What should be the correct statement, bete?
UNICEF is UNICEF is responsible for the welfare of the children of the world.
Very good. It's not WHO, it's UNICEF. WHO is responsible for the health. Okay. Next is sixth one. Originally, the UN had 50 members. Now it has 193 members. Very good. Neil Arora, tell the sixth one, bete. Unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, true.
True. It is true. When UN was formed in 1945, there were 50 members, but at present now there are 193 members. Very good. Now coming to the second question. Second question is fill in the blanks. You are to write first blank. Type in the chat box. World War II lasted from dash to dash. Lasted from का मतलब होता है कब से शुरू होकर के कब तक रही. Yes. वर्ल्ड वॉर 2. सुख सागर बेटे आपका रॉन्ग आंसर है. सरगुनप्रीत आपका भी रॉन्ग आंसर है बेटे. खुशनाक गुलाटी, you should tell bete. Khushnak Gulati, unmute yourself and tell the answer.
1939 to 1945.
I'm not able to see your photograph bete. Your camera is off. Now it is okay. Switch on your camera. Okay. And mute yourself now. World War II lasted from 1939 to 1945. Second one is the UN Day is celebrated on. When do we celebrate United Nations Day? Very good. Hitesh Ratan, unmute yourself and tell the answer.
Ma'am, 24 October every year.
24th October every year. Next is the headquarter of UN is situated in. Third one, Vinayak, unmute yourself and tell the answer.
The headquarters of UN is situated in New York.
The headquarter of UN is situated in New York. यहाँ पे बच्चे कंफ्यूज होते हैं बेटे. हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ यूएन जो है वो न्यूयॉर्क में है और हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ आईसीजे वो हेग में है. क्लियर? सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज. Read the sentence properly. Next one is UNICEF helps the dash of the world. UNICEF helps the dash of the world. Very good. Vasvi, आपका आंसर रॉन्ग है बेटे. हर्षप्रीत सिंह, unmute yourself and tell the answer. Vasvi, unmute yourself.
Children of the world.
Children of the world. Very good. UNICEF helps the children of the world. Vasvi, आपने wrong लिखा था बच्चे. So make the corrections. Next one is judges of ICJ are appointed for dash. Judges of ICJ are appointed for dash. Very good. Abhi Mishra, unmute yourself and tell the answer. Abhi Mishra.
Ma'am, 9 years. Ma'am, 9 years.
Yes, 9 years is the correct answer. Next, sixth one is Dash is the present Secretary General of UN. Dash is the present Secretary General of UN. Vinayak, same problem, Betty. So many times I told you to write all the proper noun in capital letters. Betty, why don't you listen? It's very bad if you are not, if you are committing the same mistake again and again. Okay. Neil, unmute yourself and tell the answer. Neil.
Ma'am, Antonio Guterres.
Antonio Guterres is the present Secretary General of UN. Next is name it. Name it. You are to name the agencies and the organs of the here which are mentioned. Betty, just a minute. UN agency concerned with children's welfare. Which UN agency is concerned with children's welfare? Write down. Very good. Correct answer. I am getting. Very good. Okay, Tanisha Gupta, unmute yourself and tell the answer.
Ma'am, UNICEF.
UNICEF. Good. Next one is UN agency concerned with protection and preservation of World Heritage Sites. UN agency concerned with protection and preservation of World Heritage Sites. Okay, very good. Vinayak, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
UN agency concerned with protection and preservation of World Heritage Sites is UNESCO.
यूनेस्को, क्योंकि कल्चर को है ना संभालना, हेरिटेज जो है हमारा पुराना कल्चर शो करता है, सो यूनेस्को इज कंसर्न्ड फॉर द सेम. नेक्स्ट वन इज UN agency works for the welfare of the workers. Which UN agency works for the welfare of the workers? Very good. Sargunpreet, unmute yourself and tell the answer.
UN organ responsible to maintain peace and security in the
Third
world.
one is third one. UN agency works for the welfare of the workers is.
That is ILO.
Can you tell the full form?
Yes, ma'am. International Labour Organization.
Very good. International Labour Organization. So next one is, now you are to tell the organ, United Nations organ responsible to maintain peace and security in the world. Peace and security in world. Fourth one is, which United Nations organ is responsible for maintaining peace and security in the world? Very good. Wrong answer आ रहे हैं. Security General बेटे wrong है. Organ का name लिखना है. Rashesh Parmar, unmute yourself. Rashesh Parmar. Tell the answer, bete.
Security Council.
It's Security Council. Good. Okay. Fifth one is UN organ which helps the poor and needy to improve their living conditions. UN organ which helps the poor and needy to improve their living conditions. Yes, very good. Okay. Naval, can you tell? Unmute yourself, Naval Preet Kaur, and tell which United Nations organ helps the poor and needy.
Economic and Social Council.
Economic and Social Council. Okay. पुअर को फंड्स देना, नीडी पर्सन्स को उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स को पूरा करना. सो दिस कम्स अंडर इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल काउंसिल. नेक्स्ट, लास्ट इज मेन ऑर्गन ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन which functions like a parliament. Main organ of the United Nations which functions like a parliament. I am getting answers. Very good. Jasmeet Banga, unmute yourself, bete. Jasmeet.
Ma'am. General
Yes.
Assembly.
General Assembly is the correct answer. Very good. It acts like a parliament. Very good. So now D part is match the columns. You will write number 1 और उसके साथ जो correct है A, B, C, D, E, F में से you will write in the chat box. First one is objective of UN. Very good. Students are writing. Okay. Rudra, speak bete. Rudra, unmute yourself and
Yes, ma'am.
tell the answer.
World peace.
Objective of UN is world peace. First ka F1. Okay. Number 2, foundation of UN. Number 2 के आगे क्या आएगा? Write down. Foundation of UN. Sukh Sagar Rai, unmute yourself and tell the answer, bete.
1945.
Very good. 1945. Second ka C1. Good. Number 3 is headquarter of ICJ. Headquarter of ICJ. रशेष परमार, आपकी टर्न आ चुकी है बेटे?
मैम आ चुकी है.
चलो कोई बात नहीं, फिर से बोल दो. हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ ICJ.
मैम हैग्यू.
Hague. It's Hague, not Hague. Headquarter of International Court of Justice is at Hague in Netherlands. Next is fourth one, permanent members of Security Council. How many permanent members are there in the Security Council? Jaisum Dhingra, unmute yourself.
Ma'am 5.
5
Ma'am
members.
A.
A part, permanent members of Security Council are 5. आपका ने इसका मैप भी किया हुआ है ना. Next one is Number of judges. How many number of judges in International Court of Justice? Very good. Jay Banga, unmute yourself and tell the answer.
Ma'am, 15.
Yes. Number of judges in International Court are 15 and they are appointed for 9 years. So this is all for revision. Now I have bit question answers for you. For it, you are to, I'm going to share the other screen. Anu ma'am, please allow me to share my screen. I want to share the screen for the question answers. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please check.
Okay. Yes, I am going to share it. I hope it will be visible. It is visible on your screens.
Yes, Sonali ma'am, it's visible.
Okay. So, bete, let's start. First question is, what is the UN? The United Nations is an international organization formed to promote international peace and cooperation. यूनाइटेड नेशन एक इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जिसको बनाया गया था कि सारे वर्ल्ड में इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे पीस और कोऑपरेशन बनाई जा सके, बढ़ाई जा सके. It was formed in 1945 with 50 members. ये 1945 में बनाई गई थी और बिगनिंग में इसके 50 मेंबर्स थे. So I think this question is very easy. Next one is, when and why was the UN formed? ये कब बनाया गया था और क्यों बनाया गया था? पहले हम why का आंसर देते हैं. Why UN was formed? First point is, the two world wars had caused heavy destruction all over the world. सारी दुनिया में बहुत ज्यादा तबाही हो गई थी जब दो वर्ल्ड वॉर्स हुई थी. दोनों वर्ल्ड वॉर्स के कारण सारी दुनिया में बहुत ज्यादा तबाही हो गई थी. These world wars made the people realize that war is no solution to any problem. इन wars ने लोगों को ये महसूस करवाया कि वॉर जो है किसी भी प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. Some countries felt the need of the World Organization to stop such wars in future. कुछ कंट्रीज ने महसूस किया कि एक ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होनी चाहिए जो दुनिया में इस तरह की वॉर्स को रोक सके. These countries got together to form United Nations Organization on 24th October 1945. ये वैन का आंसर मिल गया कि ये कंट्रीज मिलकर के इकट्ठी हुई 24th October 1945 को यूनाइटेड नेशन बना दिया गया. Clear? Next, how many members are presently there in UN? This is one word answer. There are 193 members in UN at present. Next question is, what are the objectives? कौन सी objectives हैं यूनाइटेड नेशन के? So first one is to maintain peace and security in the world. फर्स्ट पॉइंट है कि सारी दुनिया में पीस रखना, सिक्योरिटी रखना, सब लोग सेफली रहें, तो ये इसका मेन मोटिव था, मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव था. नंबर 2, to peacefully solve the disputes between member countries. जितनी भी मेंबर कंट्रीज हैं उनके बीच में अगर कोई डिस्प्यूट हो जाता है, छोटा मोटा झगड़ा हो जाता है, तो उसको शांति के साथ मिल करके, बैठ करके, बातें कर करके सुलझा लेना, सेटल कर लेना. To develop friendly relations between nations एक कंट्री का दूसरी कंट्री के साथ फ्रेंडली रिलेशन हो। जब फ्रेंड्स बन जाते हैं तो हम छोटी मोटी बातों को भूल जाते हैं। तो इस तरह से जब कंट्रीज एक दूसरे की फ्रेंड्स बन जाएंगी तो देयर विल बी लेस चांस ऑफ वॉर। नेक्स्ट, टू कोऑपरेट, just a minute, to cooperate with each other in solving economic, social and human problems. अगर किसी के यहाँ पे कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है इकोनॉमिकली या सोशल कोई प्रॉब्लम्स है, तो उसमें एक दूसरे को हेल्प करना, कोऑपरेट करना, ताकि उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉर्ट आउट किया जा सके। टू रिस्पेक्ट ह्यूमन राइट्स एंड फ्रीडम ऑफ ऑल नेशंस, सब लोगों की रिस्पेक्ट करना, उनके राइट्स की रिस्पेक्ट करना और कंट्री को फ्री रखना, फ्रीडम देना, ये उसकी रिस्पेक्ट करना, फ्रीडम की रिस्पेक्ट करना, दिस इज ऑल्सो द मेन मोटिव ऑफ यूएन। नेक्स्ट है जनरल असेंबली, लिस्ट द नेम्स ऑफ द मेन ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द यूएन। ऑर्गन्स और एजेंसीज जब आती है ना बेटे, तुम लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो, ऑर्गन्स की जगह एजेंसीज के नेम लिख देते हो, एजेंसीज की जगह ऑर्गन के नेम लिख देते हो। सो मेक श्योर देयर आर 6 ऑर्गन्स, जिनमें से ट्रस्टीशिप काउंसिल अब फंक्शनल नहीं है, पर हमने लिखने सारे ही हैं। जनरल असेंबली, सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल, सेक्रेटरीट, ट्रस्टीशिप काउंसिल, इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल काउंसिल एंड इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस। एंड मेन एजेंसीज ऑफ यूएन, यूनिसेफ, यूनेस्को, WHO, FAO, ILO। और बेटर है आप इसकी फुल फॉर्म भी लिखें साथ में। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज राइट short notes on the following. First one is General Assembly. General Assembly organ है the General Assembly is the main organ of the UN. It is composed of all the member nations. इसके अंदर सारे nations जितनी भी members हैं वो इसके member होते हैं. It functions like a parliament. जैसे पार्लियामेंट में फेवर में या अगेंस्ट में वोटिंग करते हैं, तो ये भी पार्लियामेंट की तरह ही काम करती है. All the matters related to world peace are discussed here. वर्ल्ड में, दुनिया में शांति के लिए क्या क्या चीजें चाहिए, वो सारा डिस्कशन यहाँ पे होती है. इट अपॉइंट्स द यूएन सेक्रेटरी जनरल. ये यूएन सेक्रेटरी जनरल को भी अपॉइंट करती है. सेकेंड इज सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल. सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल का मेन काम क्या है? सिक्योरिटी देना, पीस रखना, है ना. द प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ द सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल इज टू मेंटेन इंटरनेशनल पीस एंड सिक्योरिटी. इट हैज 15 मेंबर्स, जिसमें से 5 परमानेंट होते हैं और 10 जो होते हैं नॉन परमानेंट मेंबर्स होते हैं. नेक्स्ट है इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस. इसका मेन काम होता है कि नेशंस के बीच में डिस्प्यूट को सेटल करना. इट सेटल्स डिस्प्यूट्स बिटवीन नेशंस इन अ पीसफुल मैनर. It advises the members on international laws. इंटरनेशनल लॉज जो बने हुए हैं उसके हिसाब से ये एडवाइस करती है. The headquarter of ICJ is at Hague in Netherlands. It has 15 judges appointed for 9 years. Next is Secretariat. He is responsible for the day-to-day activities of the UN. The head of Secretariat is the Secretary General. The present Secretary General of the UN is Antonio Guterres. ये already आपने one word में कर लिया है. Next is Economic and Social Council. It is the organ of UN which carries out economic, social and humanitarian and cultural activities. The aim of the Economic and Social Council are to improve the living conditions of the people. इसका main काम क्या है कि लोगों की लिविंग कंडीशंस को इम्प्रूव करना. सो इन दिस वे बेटे वी हैव रिवाइज्ड लेसन नंबर 20. नाउ इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट you can tell me. Raise your hand first, then ask your doubts.